Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change or adjust your microphone's volume on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the launcher menu and then either search for up at the top or just select the settings gear button. So search for settings or select settings basically. And then on the left panel, select device. On the right side underneath device at the top, go down and select audio. Underneath the input method, there should be a little volume scroll bar right here underneath the input category, like I'm circling right now. Make sure that's turned up or down depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.